What you doing? You gonna come here? You going? There you go. Where are you going? Come and follow Mama. Look at you go. There you go. Oh, don't go for the cat food. No, don't eat that cat food. Oh. What you doing? What'd you see there? You finding specks on the floor? Mommy just sweeped it this morning. There shouldn't be too much there.